do anything this more. I just want to be a doctor or anything to help my people, but I can't. I'm just a kid. I don't even know what to do.
The Israel-Palestine conflict, often referred as the world's most intractable conflict, is rooted in a dispute over land claimed by Jews as their biblical birthright and by the Palestinians, who seek self-determination. Israel is the world's only Jewish state, located just east of the Mediterranean Sea. Palestinians, Arab population, hailing from that area, refer to the territory as Palestine and want to establish a state by that name on all. Tensions have been building up again since the start of Ramzan in mid-April, when Israeli police set up barricades at the Damascus Gate outside the occupied Old City, preventing Palestinians from gathering there. On May 7, 2021, the Israeli Armed Forces, IDF, stormed Al-Aqsa Mosque in Jerusalem, ahead of a march by Zionist nationalists commemorating Israel's capture of the eastern half of the city in 1967. This coincided with protests on by Palestinians on May 6 over a forthcoming decision of the Israeli Supreme Court regarding the eviction of Palestinian families from Sheikh Jarrah, a neighborhood of East Jerusalem. In retaliation, Hamas, the Islamist militant group that is prominent in Gaza, fired dozens of rockets. Israel's Iron Dome aerial defense system intercepted a Hamas unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, that crossed from Gaza into Israel, Israeli Defense Forces, IDF. On the 15th of May, the IDF targeted the Al Jallah building in Gaza, which housed Al Jazeera and Associated Press journalists, and a number of other offices and apartments. IDF also slammed the Gaza Strip with airstrikes, in a dramatic escalation that included bombing the home of a senior Hamas leader. Since 2017-18, tensions were at all-time high. Israel considers the complete and united Jerusalem its capital, while Palestinians claim East Jerusalem as the capital of a future Palestinian state. Jerusalem has been an epicenter of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. According to the original 1947 UN partition plan, Jerusalem was proposed to be an international city. But in the First Arab-Israel War of 1948, the Israelis captured the western half of the city, and Jordan took the eastern part, including the Old City that houses Haram al-Sharif, Al-Aqsa Mosque and the Dome of the Rock, holy site for Jews, are situated within Haram al-Sharif, noble sanctuary. After 1967 war, Israel captured whole of Jerusalem city. In 1980, Israel passed the Jerusalem Law, stating that Jerusalem, complete and united, is the capital of Israel, which was declared as null and void by Resolution 478 of the UN Security Council. In December 2017, USA under President Trump recognized Jerusalem as the capital of Israel and ordered the planning of the relocation of the US Embassy in Israel from Tel Aviv to Jerusalem. Historically, this area is a land of diversity, as Britain took control of the area known as Palestine after the ruler of that part of the Middle East, the Ottoman Empire, was defeated in World War I. The land was inhabited by a Jewish minority and Arab majority. Tensions between the two people grew when the international community gave Britain the task of establishing a national home in Palestine for Jewish people. For Jews, it was their ancestral home, but Palestinian Arabs also claimed the land as their own. Between the 1920s and 40s, the number of Jews arriving there grew, with many fleeing from persecution in Europe and seeking a homeland after the Holocaust of World War II. In 1947, the United Nations adopted Resolution 181, known as the Partition Plan, which sought to divide the British Mandate of Palestine into Arab and Jewish states. In 1948, unable to solve the problem, British rulers left and Jewish leaders declared the creation of the State of Israel on May 14, sparking the First Arab-Israeli War. The First Arab-Israeli War included countries like Egypt, Syria, Jordan, Lebanon and Iraq versus Israel. These Arab nations weren't happy on the formulation of Israel and on the de facto recognition given to them by US. The war ended in 1949 with Israel's victory, but 750,000 Palestinians were displaced. Hundreds of thousands of Palestinians fled or were forced out of their homes in what they call Al-Nakba, or the catastrophe. By the time the fighting ended in a ceasefire the following year, Israel controlled most of the territory. Jordan occupied land which became known as the West Bank, and Egypt occupied Gaza. Jerusalem was divided between Israeli forces in the west and Jordanian forces in the east. Over the following years, tensions rose in the region, particularly between Israel and Egypt, Jordan, and Syria. Second Arab-Israel War was started by Israel as it preemptively attacked Egyptian and Syrian air forces. It was known as Six-Day War. After the war, Israel gained territorial control over the Sinai Peninsula and Gaza Strip from Egypt, the West Bank and East Jerusalem from Jordan, and the Golan Heights from Syria. 6 years later, in what is referred to as the Yom Kippur War, Egypt and Syria launched a surprise two-front attack on Israel to regain their lost territory. In 1979, following a series of ceasefires and peace negotiations, representatives from Egypt and Israel signed the Camp David Accords, a peace treaty that ended the 30-year conflict between Egypt and Israel. In 1987, hundreds of thousands of Palestinians living in the West Bank and Gaza Strip rose up against the Israeli government in what is known as the First Intifada. The 1993 Oslo I Accords mediated the conflict, setting up a framework for the Palestinians to govern themselves in the West Bank and Gaza, and enabled mutual recognition between the newly established Palestinian Authority and Israel's government. In 1995, the Oslo II Accords expanded on the first agreement, adding provisions that mandated the complete withdrawal of Israel from 6 cities and 450 towns in the West Bank. In 2000, sparked in part by Palestinian grievances over Israel's control over the West Bank, a stagnating peace process, and former Israeli Prime Minister Ariel Sharon's visit to the Al-Aqsa Mosque, the third holiest site in Islam, in September 2000, Palestinians launched the Second Intifada, which would last until 2005. In response, the Israeli government approved construction of a barrier wall around the West Bank in 2002. Despite opposition from the International Court of Justice and the International Criminal Court. In 2013, the United States attempted to revive the peace process between the Israeli government and the Palestinian Authority in the West Bank. However, peace talks were disrupted when Fatah, the Palestinian Authority's ruling party, formed a united government with its faction Hamas in 2014. Both sides have fundamentally different ideas as to where the boundaries of a potential Palestinian state should be. Palestinians insist on borders based on ceasefire lines which separated Israel and East Jerusalem, the West Bank, and Gaza between 1949 and 1967. However, Israel has demanded an extended eastern border stretching up to the Jordan River. The holy city of Jerusalem is now a graveyard during this holy month of Ramadan. Many countries condemn this fierce actions and have raised their concerns. Further, any successful peace initiative would need to resolve the core issues that have plagued the peace process.